Great question. Are you a dealer? Like a confidence dealer? Because that's what great real estate agents really do. They're giving confidence to the buyers to buy, they're giving confidence to the sellers to sell, and they're giving confidence to themselves as an agent to continue in that listing and prospecting process. Now, this is one of the most important skills of a great real estate agent. Now, let's go and have a quick look at some of the buyers. Buyers are saying, you know what, I'm not really sure I want to buy today because literally by the time I buy, and then if I get to the settlement day, there's a chance that the property is going to be actually worth less than what I actually paid today. So how do you give that buyer confidence? What you can actually do is you can show the buyer the graph. Now, this is actually what we told the owner that it was worth when we went and did a market appraisal back 9 months ago. This is actually the price that we listed it for, and this here is the price you're actually buying it for today. And so what you need to realize is that $100,000, $150,000 or $200,000 price reduction that you're looking for has actually already happened. And this is such an important conversation because by the time the data gets into the newspapers, the reality of it is it's already 30, 60, 90 days behind. By the time it gets to the data companies, by the time they report on it, by the time settlement happens, the market's already moved. This is one of the great insights that an agent really has, is that they understand that all the data points are lag points, where in fact the items that are actually happening out in front of you is ultimately you making the market. So to be a great real estate agent, what have you got to do? You've got to make sure that you give that buyer confidence to act. Now, how do you give the seller confidence to act? Well, this is about giving them an insight or a perspective where they go, oh, you know what? I need to do something. Guys, I'm just really concerned right now. I'm talking with a number of owners. They're all telling me that they're coming to the market in spring. And one of the challenges is that I'm expecting a huge number of properties to hit the market at exactly that point in time. That combined with another 1 or 2 interest rate increases, I'm thinking that does not look good for a great sale price. If you're thinking about doing something now, I'd do it today and not delay. And that literally gives them that motivation to want to go and do the transaction. And then as a real estate agent, to give yourself confidence, what do we know? If you literally book 1, 2, 3 appointments every business day, you do that 5 days of the week, that literally gets you to 15 appointments a week. Times that by 4 weeks a month, that's 60 people that you get to meet with. Times that by 10 months of the year, that's 600 people. If you literally got in front of 600 people and 10% actually did a transaction, that's 60 deals. 60 deals at whatever fee you earn in your area, that's an incredible career. It's massively important to understand that you are ultimately a confidence dealer in the way that you go to work with buyers, with sellers, and with yourself. So make sure that you're using the right techniques, the right tactics, and the right strategies to make sure that you can land confidence to be able to give people that decision and that motivation to actually do the transaction today.